Welcome to Burlap Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace the starter motor on a Toyota Corolla using an easy method. Start by disconnecting the battery negative terminal to prevent shorts. Then lift the vehicle securely and remove the negative cable from the starter. Unbolt electrical connectors and mounting bolts. Exchange the old unit for the new starter, torque bolts to spec, reconnect wiring, lower the car, and test the starter for proper engagement. Gathering the right tools makes this job faster and safer. Use a metric ratchet set with extensions for tight spaces and a torque wrench to finish mounting correctly. Secure the car on jack, stands after lifting with a hydraulic jack, and always wear safety glasses. Have a small wire brush and contact cleaner to tidy connections before reassembly, so the starter has a clean, solid electrical contact for reliable starts. Work methodically through each step to avoid mistakes. After disconnecting the battery, raise the vehicle and support it with stands, then remove heat shields if needed to access the starter. Label wires if helpful, unbolt the unit, and compare the new starter to confirm matching terminals and mounting points. Reinstall the new starter, tighten bolts to manufacturer torque, reconnect cables, lower the car, and start the engine to verify smooth engagement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.